Hi everyone, welcome to Amska Academy. Thank you very much for your support and cooperation. So today we are going to learn about the factors that influence the location of an industry. What all factors we need to consider to locate or to establish an industry, or already the industries are established considering these particular factors. So, what are those factors? Let us see them. What are the factors affecting the location of industries? The factors that are affecting the location of industries are availability of raw materials. To establish any industry, we need to consider the raw materials should be available close by, nearby. For example, if you want to establish a sugarcane industry, we need to have the sugarcane fields close by. Otherwise, the sucrose levels will fall down. So we need to check the availability of raw materials, land. We need sufficient amount of land to establish our industry units and everything. Availability of water. Though you have land, though you have raw materials, but if you don't have the availability of water in a particular location, the given area, then it is very difficult for us to get water daily from outside. So we need to have continuous supply of water. Then we need people to work, labor. So daily wage labor we need, skilled labor we need, semi-skilled labor we need. We need people to work. Electricity, power. We need electricity continuously to do any kind of work nowadays. So there should be uninterrupted supply of electricity. Similarly, we need capital investment. We need investments to be done physically, investment to be done on working capital, and so on. We need to have good transport facilities to the place where we are establishing the industry, where the raw materials have to be brought, and we need to have our location close to the market. We need to have our location close by or nearby to market. So if you are trying to establish any factory, or if you want to locate any factory, we need to consider the following factors. First, we need to check the raw materials should be available or close by to the location spot. Second, we should have sufficient area of land, continuous supply of water, daily labor, skilled labor, semi-skilled labor availability, uninterrupted electricity, capital investment, transport facilities, and close by to market. Nowadays, the governments, the state governments as well as the central governments are providing certain incentives for establishing industries like subsidized power. They're reducing the cost of the power which are given to the industrial units, lower transport cost. They're arranging good transport facilities and other infrastructure so that industries may be located in the backward areas. So even if you are asking them to locate in the backward areas, still they check all these major factors. So those are roughly they are 8. So we need to remember them: raw materials, land, water, labor, power, capital, transport, and market. These are the key factors which are important for locating any industry. If we want to establish an industry, we need to have clarity on availability of all these raw materials. Thank you.